What's up, Hokie fans? Coach Mike Holmes coming to you live from Castle Rock, Colorado with Season 2 of the 10-Minute Tailgate. Every week with 10-Minute Tailgate, we come up with a curated menu of a recipe and a cocktail that has to do with the opponent that we play that week, so you at home can enjoy a little something extra while you watch Virginia Tech Hokies football. To kick off this year, the Virginia Tech Hokies are playing the South Carolina Gamecocks at the Mercedes-Benz Dome in Atlanta, Georgia. This game means a little something extra to me because I grew up right outside of Columbia, South Carolina, and there is a restaurant in the 5 Points area of Columbia, South Carolina, Andy's Deli. I used to go to this place all the time growing up, and so I called over to Andy's Deli and spoke with Adam, who is now the proprietor over there. He's a great guy, and he was able to airmail us some of their sandwiches. So to kind of pay tribute to Columbia, South Carolina, and everything there, we're going to go over some of the fare of the 5 Points area from Columbia, South Carolina, here on the 10-Minute Tailgate. And for our cocktail today, we're also going to kind of tie it into the game. So even though Georgia is mostly known for their peaches, South Carolina produces more peaches, by the way, than the state of Georgia. Also, we're going to pay a little tribute to University of South Carolina's one of their most prominent alumni, Darius Rucker, and his band Hootie and the Blowfish. And we're going to create a cocktail called Frootie and the Blowfish, which is a little twist on a John Daly. So we're going to go over that here in just a little bit. So first off, let's dig into our recipes here. So we're going to kind of go over these a little bit, and so you can try to, maybe you can replicate these at home if you would like. So Andy's Deli on Green Street in 5 Points. If you're ever in Columbia, I highly recommend going to see Adam. And a little backstory, Andy, who started Andy's Deli, every time you would walk in, he'd greet you with this great big smile, and he'd say, "Hello, my friend," or "Hello, my dear," when you walk through the door. And it's a super welcoming place. There's Gamecock memorabilia all over the wall, and it's one of the most warm and welcoming places you can ever walk into. But their sandwiches are outstanding. Again, they're often replicated, they're often duplicated, but they're not the same. And there's nothing like it. Every time I go back to Columbia, I always make it a point. I got to go to Andy's, and I got to stop by. And see there. So we got 3 different sandwiches here. We're going to sample and we're going to try out. So the first one we're going to look at here is called the Rocket. Most of these sandwiches are going to be served on hoagie rolls, but it is a full deli. You can get salads there. You can kind of mix and match. You can create your own. You can kind of do whatever you want when you get there. But we just have 3 examples of 3 different hoagies here that are kind of pre-made stock recipes. First one we're going to look at here is called the Rocket. The Rocket is a roast beef and ham. It's got Swiss over top of it. It is steamed on a hoagie roll. It's a really, really good looking sandwich. It's served on a plate with a pickle. The key to any Andy's sandwich, though, and we'll go over this a little bit more, is the Andy's sauce. And when we get to plating these, we'll talk more about the sauce here in just a little bit, but we'll talk about that a little bit more. Now, the next sandwich we're going to talk about is the Mediterranean. This was one of the ones that I love personally every time I would go in there. It's a little bit different, a little bit off the beaten path, but the Mediterranean had Lebanon bologna, salami, and pastrami on it, and it was served with Munster cheese. And I love this sandwich. I'm a big pastrami guy, but the Lebanon bologna really tipped it over the top for me. But it was again. Phenomenal sandwich. Again, served steamed on the hoagie roll. The third sandwich that we're going to talk about is the Andy's Special. Now, this is bar none, in my opinion, best thing on the menu. This is usually what I always get. Like if I want a little bit of nostalgia, when I go back to Columbia, when I go back to 5 Points, this is the thing that I get first and foremost. And this is the special. This is a roast beef and turkey with Swiss. Got some bacon bits on top, melted cheese. You dip it in the sauce. Comes with a pickle and the original Wise chips. Nothing was better than these original Wise chips, these little pack of chips. And then whatever was left on the plate, you just kind of dip the chips in a little bit of the sauce that was left over in your plate. Oh, it was the thing that really took it over the top. And once again, and we're going to plate some of these here, and we'll just get a little sample, a little bit of each one of these. Our Mediterranean. And put our on there. And everything was served with a pickle and a bag of Wise chips. Original Wise. And then they would serve this sauce. Now, I never really truly knew what was in the sauce, but it's some type of combination, I believe, of Thousand Island and Russian dressing, and but I always tried to make it on my own because I've always lived so far away from Columbia after we moved away, and I could never get it just right, but it's so perfect. And so every time I leave and go away and come back, I always have to get a little bit. But let's take a little bite here. I'm going to take a little bite of my Andy's Special here. Got to dip it in the sauce. Man, what a throwback. Man, this was so 5 Points in Columbia. If you don't know, they do St. Patrick's Day, have a big festival down there, St. Patrick's Day. A lot of bars down there. This is, a lot of in downtown Columbia has grown up and blossomed. There's a whole lot of different spots now but 5 Points is kind of where everything used to be. But once again, thanks to Adam at Andy's Deli for sending me all this stuff so I can share it with you, Hokie fans, and hopefully you can try these at home. If not, next time you're in Columbia, give them a shot, please. So we're going to take a quick break, and when we come back, we're going to make our Frootie and the Blowfish cocktail. So we'll see you in just a second. Okay, welcome back. We are now going to make our cocktail, the Frootie and the Blowfish. This cocktail is going to be kind of a twist on a John Daly, and we're going to kind of tie it into Georgia and South Carolina by infusing some peaches in with it. So I have my trusty Sons of Saturday cup that you can get from Sharky's in Blacksburg, and I picked this cup, one, because it's Sons of Saturday, but also because of Sharky's. There's also a Sharky's in 5 Points in Columbia, South Carolina. So it kind of ties in a couple of different ways here. Okay, so how are we going to make this drink? First, we're going to take a couple of sliced peaches, freshly sliced peaches. We're going to put them in the bottom of our glass, and we're going to muddle them in the bottom, and we're going to kind of break them up a little bit. Try to infuse some of that peach juice down in there before we do anything else. Okay? Then we're going to add our ice into the cup right over top. Again, this is something we kind of want to make this if you're watching this and you're going to the game, this food and this drink, this is all something that you could make and take with you. This is all something that you could have for a mobile tailgate. You can make ahead of time. You could take it with you, and you could have in your hotel before you go to the game. If you're having to tailgate, hopefully you're tailgating with the Sons of Saturday. But if you're not, and you're tailgating in a hotel parking lot somewhere, you could do this. You could bring this food with you and tailgate there with these items. Have our sweet tea vodka. Now, this sweet tea vodka, you could use Deep Eddy, you could use Firefly, any other brand of sweet tea vodka that you would choose. And we're going to add about 2 ounces of sweet tea vodka. I'm not even going to measure again because this is a cocktail. This is a tailgate cocktail. So we're going to add about roughly 2 ounces of this to the bottom of our cup. Then we're going to add our lemonade. Okay. We're going to fill almost to the top. We're going to leave about an inch and an inch of room there at the top of our glass of lemonade. And to give it some bubbles, we're going to add a little bit of Sprite. You can use Sierra Mist. No, I don't think they call it Sierra Mist anymore. They call it something else. But Sprite, 7-Up, whatever they call Sierra Mist now, you could use that. Starry, I believe is what it's called now. That was my beautiful wife helping me out from the other room. Just add a little bit of Sprite there. Mix it up a little bit. Get some of that peach there kind of mixed around. The bubbles from the Sprite will also do that. And then we're going to garnish it with a peach. And there we go. A Frootie and the Blowfish. This is a tribute to Hootie and the Blowfish from Columbia, South Carolina, the Fighting Gamecocks. All right, here's to it. Go Hokies. I'll tell you what, Arnold Palmer was a genius, right? The tea and the lemonade, beautiful combination. Add the vodka twist to it, and you have a kind of a light, crisp cocktail that's perfect for a warm tailgating afternoon. I could probably have about a dozen of those in the time it takes to reach that tailgate kickoff. So, okay, thank you for tuning in. We really appreciate it. Tune in next week for another installment of the 10-Minute Tailgate. Follow the Sons of Saturday on all of the social media sites. Don't forget to tune in to Too Deep with Sam and Pete. Don't forget to follow me at Hokie Hitter on Instagram and Twitter as well. We'll have updates every week as far as what were some key moments every week for the Hokies in a win, hopefully, or in defeat that may be turning points in the game. And again, thank you for tuning in. We'll be back again next week with another 10-Minute Tailgate. And as always, go Hokies.